Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kevin and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a repot. Also, the lighting's a bit weird because I've never filmed at nighttime and I really don't know how to do this whole lighting thing. I have a ring light in front of me. I see myself in the viewfinder. It looks kind of weird, but I'm just gonna go with it. So the plant that I'm repotting today is this ZZ Raven over here. And I've had this plant for about a year. I bought a second one because I was kind of obsessed with it. And yeah, so I'm gonna combine these two plants. And I thought it would be fitting because it is the month of Halloween. And since it's been a year and I haven't really touched the soil, I'm thinking about replacing it. The soil that I'm using today is from House of Monstera. So it is a premium grow media, and there's a whole bunch of good stuff in here. There's sphagnum peat moss, there's coco coir, there's cocoa chips, perlite, there's worm castings, LECA, fir bark, etc. and so forth. The pot that I'm going to use is this terracotta pot, just because ZZ plants tend to like to be on the drier side. And yeah, I guess let's jump into it. Okay, so I guess I'll start off by loosening the soil around the first plant. Lost a leaf, maybe I'll go and propagate it, we'll see. Okay, so you could see here, got some nice roots. And I'm just going to loosen the soil. So a lot of people that repot plants into a new soil medium, sometimes it's not necessary to get rid of all the soil. In this case, just because this plant has been in the same soil for over a year now, I feel like it needs some good fresh soil just so it could have the nutrients it needs and yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna go wild. You could see this gigantic rhizome. Like, come on, what is going on? And wow, this is actually so interesting. And maybe I'll show you guys over here. Just give me a sec. Look at the roots on this rhizome. That is crazy. And for those that don't know, the rhizome is one of the other reasons why these plants don't need to be watered as much. Okay, so I have one plant. I'm just gonna set it aside. This one over here is a little bit smaller. Okay, and so I'll show you guys the roots here. They look great. And this rhizome over here looks freaking amazing. And let me just show you guys over here. Okay, so now that I have my two plants, I'm debating actually, I think I need a bigger pot. So I will be back. Okay, so I am going to use this gigantic pot over here. Just as a size comparison, I want to put in this one. I'm gonna choose this one. Just because the roots are big, and I know a popular opinion is that you shouldn't repot a plant in a pot that is too big for it. But because I'm using terracotta, the terracotta will wick away extra water and moisture, and therefore the risk of root rot would be minimized. Then again, I'm gonna take my mix here and we're just gonna go ham. Here, the second plant. That looks cute. Okay, so I guess that's it over here. I'll just show you the final product. It's so cute. There's a barcode. Ew, that was ugly. Okay, turn around. There. No, it's so cute. And I guess I'm just gonna take this leaf and just pop in the soil and hope that a plant grows out of that. Okay guys, I guess that's it. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to see any more progress videos, please let me know. And yeah, I guess that's it. Bye.